Hello everyone, this is Dimhan. Today I'll make thousands of these ice-style meringue kisses. And this very tiny crunchy sweet treats melt in your mouth with every bite. Yeah, let's start it, and I will show you how to make a dessert inspired by a Michelin-starred restaurant. And you will need only a few basic ingredients: egg white and sugar. The equal amount of icing sugar and caster sugar of 60 grams for each. Sixty grams egg white or 2 egg whites. Ensure no yolk is mixed into the egg whites. Also, the bowl is no greases, no oil, no butter stick in there. Alright, I use balloon with attachment. Whip together room temperature egg whites. Optional cream or tartar for approximately 1 minute. A quarter teaspoon of cream tartar to help stabilize the egg white. When the eggs start to forming, adding sugar. And this process helps trap air in the mixture, allowing the egg white to reach its full volume and making your meringue light and fluffy. Continue whip until steep peak. And the peak stand up straight without collapsing like this. Look at this. I can dancing with this. And don't whip the egg whites too long. Stop when it looks shiny and glossy. And triple in volume. To enhance the flavor, you can add a teaspoon of vanilla extract. I use the vanilla bag for this recipe today. And fold in the icing sugar using a spatula or whisk. This is the key to make sure your meringue holds its shape well. And use the piping bag with the tip 108 article or tipless piping bag, which I use today is tipless piping bag. And cut a small tiny end about 2-3 mm and pipe into a small tiny pieces like a teardrop. And start at the cross side of the tray to guide your piping line, and press the meringue out from the bag and pull up. Do not touch the tip onto the tray. And this is also called French meringue kisses. And bake at 210 degrees in Fahrenheit for 20 minutes. Adjust the baking time if needed, depend on the size of the meringue. And this meringue is amazing. Come out the tray easily and keep them in an airtight container for a week or two. Now I'm going to show you how to make a fancy dessert. The mascarpone cream and fresh berries are layered in a cup, topped with the meringue kisses. Simple and elegant desserts. 300 ml of 35% heavy cream whipped together with 1/3 cup icing sugar. Soften the mascarpone cheese 150 grams. Fold in the whipping cream. Add in 1 teaspoon of vanilla. And fresh berries. I cut the strawberries to bite size and placing vanilla sponge in a cup. You can use noix, sugar, ladyfinger, adding simple syrup. I add a layer of fresh berries, mascarpone cream, and berries compote. Use some frozen berries, cook and mash the frozen berries after they thaw. And repeat the layer. And topping it off with meringue, lots of meringue kisses. Yay, lots of kisses! Mascarpone cream with fresh berries will complement the light crisp texture of the meringue beautifully. Layering them in the cup makes for an elegant presentation as well. And that's it. Enjoy every bite of this small, crunchy and sweet treats as they melt in your mouth. You also use this meringue for decoration on a cake or on your cookies. And thanks for watching, and see you again soon on the next video. Thanks for subscribing and like and sharing my video. Bye.